Hey, this video is to show you how to make a knot for your new harp string. First, you make a loop, front-facing loop. And then you make a second loop facing the front as well. 2 front-facing loops. Now take the right loop, insert it into the left loop. Right into the left. Now you make a shape that kind of looks like a butterfly or Mickey Mouse ears. Pick up the anchor from the back of the right wing across the center of your butterfly, going out through the left wing. Now watch again. From the back of the right, cross the center, out through the left. Now you can tighten it. It is okay if it's not tightened all the way, because as you tune the string, it will get tightened out more as well. Now you have it. Good luck.